Torsional moments in beams. Figure shows the development of torsion in the roundabout shaft. This examination can be connected to the strong or empty roundabout segments. The material must be homogeneous. Torsion refers to the twisting of a structural member loaded by torque or twisting couples. There are different impacts of torsion: rotation, wrapping, cracks. Rotation. A part experiencing to pivot about its shear focus through a point as measured from each one end of the part. Wrapping. Torsional distorting is characterized as the differential pivotal uprooting of the focuses in an area perpendicular to the hub because of torque. Cracks. These are created because of immaculate torsion taken after the vital anxiety. Trajectories. The main cracks are seen at the center of the more drawn-out side. Next cracks are seen at the center of the shorter side, 3.